And this is found in the music, in the dress, in the clothing, and the bazaar. It's almost as if one were sensory hungry, and that the hunger somehow in suburbia was not met. And it is my very definite opinion that until we find modalities of stimulating the young mind and body within either the school setting or in the community where they can feel a part of something, where something has meaning, where there's feedback from, say, adult to youth and youth to adult, that we're going to be missing the boat in any educational program.
Morning. This is the second day of camping in Dwellingup. It's been really nice. Last night the stars were amazing, so I went out, took some night shots, but I wasn't very impressed with the final result. I guess I'm still getting used to the Sony RX 100 Mark V. Should have got my proper camera out, but I didn't, so that was a bit of a shame. Also, had quite a bit to drink last night, so definitely feeling it today. Today we're going to go off perhaps for a bit of a swim, so I'll see you then. Come and join the adventure. So there's a bush. There's a bush in the way. So we're making our way down to Bob's Crossing. It's looking quite nice. I reckon we're going to get some nice photos happening. Maybe have a bit of a swim. Take Rupi for a bit of a swim. It looks really nice. There's a few people down here, so
Let's bring towels for us all.
we didn't bring towels for us all. So we'll just have to dry in the sun like lounge lizards. As you can see and hear, it's in the forest again. It's a beautiful location. Just a bit difficult negotiating all these ferns and bushes and trip hazards. I can highly recommend Dwellingup for camping. I think it's a fantastic place. And as I said earlier on, the stars are just fantastic last night. So perhaps I'll get off my arse and do a proper shoot tonight.
Come on, Rupi.
Come on, Roops. Good lad. Yeah, do a proper shoot tonight and get some really nice wide-angle star shots. Perhaps not so much gin will be involved today. Okay. If there's some good shots, then I guess you'll see them on the video in a sec. I'm being attacked by foliage, so I'll see you in a bit. This is perfect. So here we are at Bob's Bend, I think it was. Bob's Bend, Bob's Brook. Beautiful clear water. It's nice and running. Oh, Renita, give us a wave. Give us a wave, baby. And then down the river here, you've got some very photographable roots and water with lovely reflections. And then over here you've got the bridge and where the cars go, but the whole scenery is just breathtaking. Absolutely breathtaking. So I reckon we'll get the drone up, and then I reckon we'll have a bit of a swim. So after flying the drone, I was able to scout the area a little bit with it. I found this nice one here with a composition looking up the river that I've just flown down. It's very nice. The camera's down pretty low. I'm going to be shooting at 1/15th of a second with a polarizing filter on it at about f9 and ISO 100. That way there should be a nice smoothness to the water. I may even try a narrower aperture to try and slow down the water even more. Have a bit of a play, let's see what happens. So I thought I'd better give you a rundown about the tent that we've been using. We got it from Facebook, believe it or not, for 150 bucks, so there can be bargains to be had there. It's a Jackaroo 8-man tent.
Apparently. I didn't see how.
They reckon 8-man, but really it'd have to be 8 small men. So it's part dome, part front canopy. There may be better 8-man tents out there. We had initially wanted to get a 2-bedroom 8-man tent, but this one seems to be doing a very good job. So you can see here what we've done is put up a clothesline to a tree just to dry our swimmers, and then a couple of chairs out the front just so we can relax.
G'day. Look at my photos.
And so inside, this is the front foyer, as it were, or cabin, or whatever you'd want to call it, I don't really know. That's where the dog sleeps. And then what you do is you come in, and then this is the main bed area here. You've got a simple fly screen which can be rolled back, and then it looks to be very spacious. One window there, one window there, and then enough for a double mattress and a bit of storage either side. It's got these rather convenient pockets down here, so you can put, like what we've done here with your sunnies. And obviously we've been camping, so the place is an absolute mess. We don't do boutique when it comes to camping. This is the view that we have each morning. Sometimes the dog is there, sometimes he isn't. Catch you soon.
And this is found in the music, in the dress, in the clothing, in the bazaar. It's almost as if one were sensory hungry, and that the hunger somehow in suburbia was not met.